Okay, so like when it's not coming that see my questions and see my question and after my questions. So like first question, I'm about find the mass of 0.2 mole of ammonia molecules. There's not time disclosing that. Okay, we have about so far my question here today. 1, 2, 3, 4. It says that they ask about this one, or they ask about what? Mass. Which understand? Molar mass. At least depends the question, but see if we can more molar mass. You can tell that okay. Now they are asking me to find the molar mass. Okay, so let us start with the question 1. So let us find the mass of 0.2 mole of ammonia. So we're talking about ammonia. Chemical formula ammonia. So we have the chemical formula for ammonia. Okay, chemical formula for ammonia. We have ammonia. This. Okay. So what we do is let us find the first mass. Okay. So since we have not the mass, what are we going to do? So we're going to put a question mark per mass. Then change to one number of moles, mass, molar mass. So meaning that what force out to moles pali vitatu viliapa. Meaning pafungo kala vintu vingati viwili vilipo vivyo tanzo pesa chifuna titu pesa. Mucha ndasana? Okay. So let us talk about the number of moles. Have we been given the number of moles, Steph? So I pass the number of moles, which is what? 0.2 mole. Then we don't have the molar mass. So how do we get the molar mass? So the molar mass, we get it from the periodic table. I'm not saying that the whole compound you can find it on the periodic table. By rearranging the mass numbers of each and every element that are involved in that compound. So we have ammonia being the gas, so we have nitrogen. Okay, so nitrogen, it is 1. We have 1 nitrogen per times 14. I'm sure this is the mass number for nitrogen. So we're going to say 1 times 14, it is what? 14. We have 3 hydrogen. What is the mass number for hydrogen? 1. So 3 times 1, we have what? 3. Then you add 3 plus 14. So meaning we're going to have 17 grams per what? Per mole. We on that? So 17 grams per mole, this one is the what? Molar mass. Okay, but if they tell you to find the relative molecular mass, you don't have to put this in SI unit. So now, since the can now command the number of mass, we have now this one, the molar mass, and we also have the number of moles, which is 0.2. We can apply the formula. So the formula is the number of moles, okay, which is N is equals to mass over what? Molar mass. So what we have been asked to find is mass. So meaning mass is equals to number of moles multiplied by what? Molar mass. So meaning we're going to say what is the number of moles? So number of moles we've been given is 0.2 multiplied by what is the molar mass?
17.
So we have 17 grams per what? Per mole. So we're going to cancel the mole each night. That's an gram. Okay, so many very fast space. So when you multiply 0.2, okay, so 0.2 times 17, so 0.2 is more like 1 over 5. Okay, so 1 over 5 times 17. Okay, so we're going to have 3.4. Right? So we're going to have 3.4. So 3.4 grams. So this one is going to be the mass. Mass of what? Ammonia. So this is how we find the mass, or maybe that number of molecules. You have to find applying the same formula. That's why all you have to do is to understand the concept. Exactly. So you got posting on YouTube. Posting now.
In fact,